we got another crazy thing happening here. So remember a few months ago when we talked about that whole GameStop thing where people were buying GameStop stock so they can make the hedge funds lose billions of dollars who were shorting the stock, meaning the hedge funds are betting that the stock is going down and down and down and trying to essentially destroy the stock because they are betting on a failing company to try to make billions and billions of dollars. That is how they like to manipulate the stock market and everything. So they put out these reports saying things are overvalued, GameStop is not worth owning, and GameStop is going under, and this and that. All these like kind of fake headlines, and then people realized there was someone who realized that GameStop was heavily shorted to the point that they were shorting shares that didn't even exist. These hedge funds, okay? So they're trying to drag the price down tremendously. Well, now something very, very similar is happening to AMC, and it did happen before. AMC did happen before, but now it's reaching all-time highs now, and it's just absolutely insane. So let's take a look at this. So this is the GameStop. I'm just going to call it GameStop. This is the GameStop chart here. I mean, look at this, for example. Right down here, this is about, let's go a little bit further back. Look, $5.87, right around here, about $20, okay? Boom, look at that. Oh my gosh, explodes up to 483, and that's just during the main market hours. I think it ends up reaching like 550 at one point. And then it plummets down as quickly as it came up, as you can see, and then it had another run, and then now it's kind of having another run here. Well, AMC, let's take a look at AMC now. I mean, okay, AMC, look, back here in the beginning of the year, it was practically $2, and then it went up to, whoa, all the way up to like $28, okay? Then it went down here, and it would not break below $5, okay? This was the limit right here, where it was going. Up, 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 and then again, boom, all the way up there, $42. Oh my gosh, and right now it's about $40. That's the view, the chart here. Here it is, like right now. I mean, this is insane. And it reaches a high of like $45 in the pre-market. This is absolutely insane here. This is absolutely insane. So the whole point of this, as I mentioned, is because people are buying the stock to essentially stick it to the hedge funds who are shorting it, and they keep shorting it. And again, shorting means you buy it at the top, wait for it to go down, and then you purchase it. I'm sorry. Let me rephrase that. You sell it when it's at the top. Okay, that is what you do. You're selling shares that you don't technically own first. And then when the price goes down, then you buy it at the bottom. So it's the reverse of how you would normally think about stock market sort of thing. So instead of purchasing it when it's down here and selling it when it's up high, let's say you buy AMC when it's at $5 and you sell it at $6, and that's a $1 per share profit. The other way around, you sell it first when it's at, whatever the high point is, and then you buy it back when it's lower. The problem is a lot of these hedge funds here, they keep selling. They keep trying to short sell here when it reaches like a high here, like waiting for it to go back down, waiting for it to go back down. But it just keeps going up and up and up and up, and they're losing billions of dollars. And eventually, they're going to have to buy back those shares that they have sold. There will come a time when they will have to do that, and it's just insane to actually see this here. It's like, oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting this to be getting going again. So I've put some money in here as well. I'm up probably like 20%. Not too much. I didn't buy it when it was like really cheap. I saw it at literally like $14, $15, and I'm like, oh, that's probably a good time to buy it because it's breaking up here. But unfortunately, I did not, because I did not really. One of these types of things you don't want to be. You're kind of like, I don't know. But yeah, oh yeah, it just flew high. So, yep. But again, you don't want to put any money in it that you're not willing to lose, especially with something as crazy as this. But I think just having some money in here and just doing this, I think is kind of I'm doing my part to make all those hedge funds lose billions of dollars as well, because I'm not going to sell it. And why not anytime soon? I mean, if I'm up hugely on the money, like if this thing goes up to like $100 or $1,000, I don't know how much it's going to go up. I don't know, but I can't predict that. I mean, it could have reached a high today. Maybe it'll start plummeting. I don't know. But I would just love to see. I would love to see all those short sellers, all those hedge funds just lose billions and billions more dollars, because you can't be manipulating like this. You can't be manipulating people, making people lose money, and you are perfectly safe and you're perfectly fine. You got to have a risk tolerance, and apparently they don't have a risk tolerance. Whereas people like you and me investing in the stock market and purchasing things, you have a risk tolerance. You would be selling out. Like if this thing were to go all the way to $0, many people prior to that will be selling out. It's like, I'm not going to lose all this money. I mean, it's a different type of thing when trading and investing, but still. So let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know if you have any money here in GameStop. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's up 27% from yesterday. It's insane. It's insane. Yeah, so that means I must actually be higher up than just 20%. I think when I looked this morning, when it dropped down to like 35, I was up like 20%. Now it's like $40. So pretty crazy. And also, they also have this here. Welcome AMC stockholders. Guess what? If you're a stockholder of AMC, if you're currently a stockholder, let us know. We'll send you special offers starting with an initial free large popcorn just for signing up. So yeah, if you're an AMC investor, here you go. Get on in here. Anyway, y'all take care. Have a great one. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.